Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Are you guys wondering if how do you use WhatsApp on your laptop or your desktop computer? So it's very easy. In today's video I'm going to show you how you use WhatsApp on your desktop or your laptop. So it's pretty simple. The first thing you have to do, you don't have to download any software or anything. If you have a good internet connection, you can use WhatsApp on your laptop or your desktop. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so click on Google Chrome, and then what you have to do is you have to type this in the address bar. It's https://web.whatsapp.com. I will have this link in my description so you guys can try it out too. So alright, so once you hit the link and you have just pressed enter, so basically you'll go to this website. This is the WhatsApp web. So what it says is that you have to first open WhatsApp on your phone. So you have to go to your phone and open WhatsApp, and then once you open WhatsApp, you can see in the top right hand corner there's three circles. So when you click on that, you'll get new group, new broadcast, and WhatsApp web. Do you see the third one, WhatsApp web? You have to click on WhatsApp web on your mobile phone. So once you click the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, you see like a barcode scanner on your phone. So what you have to do is you have to take the phone and come closer to the web. So I did it, now the thing came up. So what you have to do is you have to use the phone and a barcode scanner will pop up, and you have to take your phone to your laptop or PC and just put it close to where the barcode reader is, and then all of a sudden you get the WhatsApp on your laptop or your desktop. So I think this is one of the easiest ways if you want to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. This is the best way, I think, so you don't have to download any software or anything. This is very easy to use, and if you have any questions, please send me a comment and I'll try to help you out if you guys get stuck. Anyway, this is a quick video, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problems or any doubts, just feel free to comment, so I will help you out. Thank you very much. Bye.